Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return. First, gather all essential documents like your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any receipts for deductions. Having everything organized from the start saves time and prevents errors. Make sure you also have your Social Security number and a copy of your prior year's return readily available. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth filing experience. Next, choose how you will file. You can file electronically, which is often quicker and allows for direct deposit of any refund. Many people use tax software for guidance. Alternatively, you can submit a paper return by mail. Each method has its advantages, so pick the one that best suits your comfort level and specific tax situation. This decision impacts your processing time. Now it is time to complete your return. Carefully report all income, whether from wages, investments, or other sources. Then, identify and claim all eligible deductions and credits. These can significantly reduce your taxable income and the amount of tax you owe. Always double-check every calculation and entry to ensure accuracy. Finally, review your entire return one last time. Look for any missed deductions, incorrect numbers, or forgotten signatures. If filing a paper copy, remember to sign and date it. Then, submit your return by the deadline, which is usually April 15th. Submitting on time helps you avoid potential penalties and ensures a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.